Alright, just did a refresh of my booth at Treasure Isles Antique Mall 2 on Big Bend in Maplewood, Missouri. I added another piece of hand-painted furniture. It's a little dresser side table with molds, hand stamping. I even hand stamped on the sides of the drawers. Of course, my hand painted vanity. And then I always paint the back of my furniture. So I just thought I'd give everybody a close-up look of what I have. Always something new. My blue and white display. Some wall decor. Some new ornaments. Door hangers, knob hangers, whatever you want to call them. A lavender wreath. And of course, all the vanity items. And then, of course, I did a restock on some of my sweet pickins and redesign with Prima and Klingon brushes. So if you're in the Maplewood area, come on in and check out what I have. Oh, I added that lamp too with the lampshade. Anyway, so if you're up in Maplewood, stop by Treasure Isles Antique Mall 2. Come check out my booth. And everyone else,